Hey, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Ultimate Travel Guide. Today we have an exciting adventure lined up as we explore the vibrant and enchanting city of Helsinki, the capital of Finland. If you're planning a visit or just daydreaming about your next destination, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 must-visit places in Helsinki. Let's dive in. Suomenlinna Fortress. Our first stop takes us to an iconic maritime fortress just off the coast of Helsinki, Suomenlinna. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is not only a historical treasure but also offers breathtaking views of the Baltic Sea. Join me as we explore the centuries-old walls, tunnels, and discover the rich history that Suomenlinna has to offer. Helsinki Cathedral. Next up on our list is an absolute architectural gem, Helsinki Cathedral. This striking white cathedral dominates the city's skyline and is a symbol of Finnish national identity. Inside, you'll find stunning interiors and a sense of tranquility. Be sure to climb the steps for a panoramic view of Helsinki. It's a sight to behold. Temppelialkio Church. Our journey continues to a one-of-a-kind attraction, Temppelialkio Church, also known as the Rock Church. Carved directly into solid rock, this modern architectural marvel offers a unique and serene space for reflection. The natural light streaming in through the copper-lined dome creates a mesmerizing atmosphere. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Market Square, Kauppatoori. Now, let's dive into the heart of Helsinki, Market Square, or as the locals call it, Kauppatoori. This bustling open-air market is a feast for the senses. From fresh produce and local crafts to delicious Finnish delicacies, there's something for everyone. Join me as we explore the vibrant stalls, soak in the lively atmosphere, and perhaps grab a cup of hot coffee to keep us energized. Sarasari Open Air Museum. Last but certainly not least, our final destination is the Sarasari Open Air Museum. This unique outdoor museum takes you back in time, showcasing traditional Finnish architecture and way of life. Surrounded by lush greenery, it's a peaceful retreat from the city buzz. Let's wander through the charming cottages and learn about Finland's rich cultural heritage. And there you have it, the top 5 must-visit places in Helsinki. Whether you're a history buff, architecture enthusiast, or simply someone seeking a memorable experience, Helsinki has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel content, and let me know in the comments which Helsinki destination you're most excited to visit. Until next time, happy travels. Thanks for joining me on this Helsinki adventure. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.